I gave you a question, so everyone please start writing. I'll write the question here again, maybe a bit different, okay, in the chat box. So I just want everyone to write your answers here, okay, quickly. So here's the question. Do you have any goal in life? Yes. How are you planning? Wait, huh? No. Why so? Got the question? Check everyone. Chat box. Yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Please check the chat box. Did you all
Yes, ma'am.
question? Tem, then
Yes, ma'am.
Atung, Vidyasagar, John Kerry, Partha Pratim, all of you are there or not in the class?
Yes,
Yeah, so write down this question immediately in the chat box. After that, I'm going to start the topic goal setting. So set a goal. Be fast. I can't see any answers. What happened?
Still writing, ma'am.
Okay. Others? Nankinti, Mannar. You did not write much, okay? Just short answers. If it is a specific goal, then write down specific goals that you have in your mind. Goal, I suppose all of you understand that what is your target in life, where you want to reach. Okay? Am I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is Wakila Soki Nilamare at gmail.com, roll number 13? Please unmute yourself. Roll number 13013. Can you hear me? Tem, am I audible?
ma'am. Yes, writing, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so who is this 013? Why he has given his roll number here? If you are not able to understand what I have asked you to do, please ask me. I can't believe these people, seriously. They are giving their roll numbers here. Tachang Pura. I will give complaint to your HOD, I suppose. This is what you learn that the teacher is saying that write down the question. Yes, what happened? And you are writing your roll numbers. Okay, Nishita, you tell me by next you speak about it because I don't think anyone is writing anything. Oh my God, look
Ma'am,
at this answer. My God, so much of things you have written. And try to treat the government job like a necessity. This is not. You should be specific. Okay, do you have a goal? Yes. Okay, what it is? Just like that, I wanted to know. If I got my chance, also I will also do other small things which are more interesting. Hmm. Okay. So the thing is that Nishita, your goal is not specific. Okay, you do not know exactly. You're still confused
yeah,
that what you have to do. That's why you have written so many things. And others also, some goals are specific. Means suppose after BTech, you want to crack GATE or you want to go for MTech or you want to go for a job. So these are specific goals. Okay. Now,
no, ma'am, I didn't
non-specific.
do any of
Yeah. Pardon?
it. What I mean in I wouldn't do any of it. I will just do uh
So
this
what you will
business.
not do, you need not write. What you will do, that is the question now. Okay. So others also, you might be confused that what to do. And but a goal setting is very important because how to have a goal, because why you need to have a goal, because of some motivation in your life. Okay. Because otherwise the path is not that smooth. Okay. Whenever you are now doing your BTech, okay. Now, suppose you do not have any aim in life, so what happens is after some time, you lose that enthusiasm in life. Okay, that okay, why I'm studying so much, why I'm doing all this, for whom? So there should be a motivational factor behind every goal. And when there is a goal, you need to check your progress, you need to improve to achieve that goal. So all these things are very important. So let me share my screen today and quickly I will go through a PPT and I will also share it in the group. The topic is goal setting. And I'm really disappointed with you all of you, because this whole class is all about soft skills and behavior. Okay, but you don't seem to be interested. So let me tell you, if you're not interested in learning how to behave, I don't know what kind of marks you have in your mark sheet, but after you enter into a job, you will really require it. Okay? So it's an attitude. I have heard about all of you, and section B is actually better than your section, I suppose. I don't know. Some people are responsive, and even if I am not audible, you can tell me that thing. Okay. So, this kind of behavior, I have heard that you all do not attend classes. So, I can all see that you do not have a goal in life. That's why you behave like this. You are not at all interested. And if you are not interested, why you took admission in downtown? Right? That's the question. Or in engineering or whatever. Like, I'll just go through the PPT and I'll let you know that what is wrong with you all. And please let me know if my screen is visible, okay? Can you all see the screen properly?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? Others can see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Now, why you should have a target or aim or a goal in your life? Okay. So it gives you a long-term vision. Vision means you can see that where you have to reach and a short-term motivation. As I said, that for every activity that you do in your life, you need a motivation. And what is the motivation? That you have to achieve this goal. Okay, now suppose you have to mm, do MTech. So for that you have to get some good marks and enter into a good university. Okay, so for that what you need focus, and helps you to organize your time, okay, and your resources, so that you can make the very most of your life. Means the time that you are spending now in some other works, you can divide that and use it for your goal. Okay, it actually whatever knowledge you have gained, you can actually feel, you can enjoy that thing rather than think that these classes are so boring, this study is so boring. But when you have a goal in life that you have to become this, suppose you have to become a professor, so what you need in life, you need a PhD, you need an MTech. So all these things you have to plan it, and you have to divide your time and give utmost time, okay, to that. So it also allows you to measure your progress. Progress, how you will measure? Because you have to know that either you are improving or not improving. If you are not improving, that means you are lagging behind your goal, right? So you have to improve yourself. That is one thing. Then goal helps you achieve your highest. Means whatever you have in yourself, your skills, it comes out to your best, because you are motivated by, like, seeing your parents happy. These are some motivating factors in your life, okay, that yes, I have to see my parents happy, I have to see the people around me who are expecting things from me to be happy. Okay, so that way your best comes out. So then this is a very, very important line, okay, regarding goal setting. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Yes, Atung, anything you want to say?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Sorry,
Oh,
mistake.
okay. So a goal without a plan is just a wish. This means, now suppose you have a goal, but you are not planning it. So that's a dream. Suppose you want to buy a car. I want to buy a car, okay? Suppose I want to buy a Mercedes or something like that. But if I'm not saving enough money and doing nothing about it, that means it's just a dream. I have to dream about it. But planning can actually make me reach there. Okay, I have that kind of capability that I can get it. Okay, I'm not only talking about materialistic things, any kind of thing, okay, that can bring you happiness. Without planning, it is just a dream, it will just be in your mind only. Okay, now what are the types of goals? Types of goals are short term goal and long term goal. Okay, short term goal means something like, suppose next week or next month you have a presentation. Now your goal is to give an excellent presentation and improve your communication skills and presentation skills. I have already done presentation skills with you. So you want to become the best presenter of that day. So that is your short term goal. So for that, you have to practice from now on and give your best. Okay, the short term goal is something you want to do in the near future. The near future can mean today, this week, this month, or even this year. Till the year it is near future, but after a year it is a long term goal. Okay, short term goal is something you want to accomplish soon. Okay, now, suppose there's a course you are doing, you want to finish it this year itself. This is your short term goal, a computer course or something, some other course, okay? Spoken English course. Then, long term goal is that goal which takes a long time to achieve. Now, you want to become a ACS officer or IS officer, that will take a long time of hard work and perseverance. Am I correct, students? Do you understand the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now this is a very, very nice formula. Okay. What is SMART goal? So SMART is a formula SMART. Now SMART S stands for specific. Now as Nishita was writing so many things, you all have so many things in your mind. Okay. So when it is not specific, you are confused. Okay. So from now on, if you plan on a specific goal that yes, I have to enter this university in my after I pass my BTech, I will do MTech from only Tejpur University or only a central university. Then that is a specific goal you have in your mind. But if you say, ma'am, yeah, I want to do MTech, but if I get a job, I'll go for job too. So that is like not specific. Okay. Then measurable. Measurable means you have to see either you can reach there or not. Your marks, your personality. Okay, what do you need to actually reach that point? Okay, so you have to measure yourself that what are your capabilities to enter that university or enter that particular job. Achievable. Now, achievable is something, suppose I am a trainer or faculty, I have no experience in dancing and all. Okay, I sing, but I don't dance. Now the thing is, there's a dancing competition. Suppose some national dancing competition audition is there. I want to go there and perform. Is it achievable for me in one day? Tell me.
No.
No, without practice or nothing. It's just something uh, abnormal and not real. Okay. So the next point is realistic. Realistic means now you want to meet a celebrity. You want, okay, you means whom you like, okay, some Hollywood celebrity. Now, suppose this is your goal in life. Some people actually say these things that I have a goal in life to meet Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, or some Robert Pattinson. But then, if you say that I'm going tomorrow, is it possible? Is it a real goal? So it should be realistic. You should be practical and should be, in the present time. You should be, your mind should be in the present time, not something abnormal. Yes, this can also be achieved. But the thing is that it is not possible tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You have to be in that position to go with your own money to Hollywood and meet Robert Pattinson, right? So realistic is something that you actually realize that is it real? If, as I gave the example of dancing, that is also not realistic for me. Okay, I'm just imagining that I'm this person, but I'm not that person. So you have to measure yourself first, then you have to see it is achievable or not, and then you have to see it is realistic or not. Okay, because identification of the goal is very, very important. Okay, then timely. Now, your BTech course is for how many years?
4.
4 years. Okay. Now, if you think that this is my goal, I will pass BTech, and after that I'll start my business or something, huh, or do MBA or whatever. But you cannot ignore the time that is allotted for anything, even to achieve your goals. Now, some people do PhD, they do it for 10, 12 years. I don't think that is a way to do something. Okay, timely means you decide a time that 4 years you have back papers, maximum 4.5 years, 5 years. You cannot take 7, 8 years. That is, you are disrespecting your own studies and your own time. You don't value your own time. You are wasting your time. So whatever you have to do and finish it in on time. Time is very, very important. Okay, and if you're wasting it, you don't value time. Okay, so this is, and because one thing, if you're unable to do engineering and you just took it, have you all watched the movie Three Idiots? I think engineering students, they all watch it. Have you watched? Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
there, that person who doesn't want to study engineering, he leaves, because if he does that, he's wasting time there in the engineering college, right? So that was a very nice movie, and it was a very good lesson given that out of pressure, out of fear, you are continuing, then you are wasting your time. And trust me, no one will question you even if you leave and follow your passion. Okay, but do not waste time. Okay, time is important for everyone, for your parents, for you, for the people around you. Okay, so decide how to do that. Then how to set goals. Okay, now as you have identified, now means like the identification process only. Um, I have already said that what are the types of goals and how to achieve your goals. But identification part is very difficult. Means how to know what is your aim in life. Okay, so here are some steps. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Everyone can see, na, properly?
Yes.
Okay. So first step is to identify the goals. Okay, you have to know what you have to do in life. Then set objectives that these are my priorities. These are the points that I have to follow till I reach my goal. Okay. Then you have to list out the obstacles, the hurdles that come, the problems that you will face while you have to reach there. Okay, this is very important. Then number 4 is identify the people who can help you in this process, and also ignoring those people who can always say, "Arey abhi tak pass nahi kiya, kya hua?" These kind of people are there, na, in your neighborhood. What happened? You didn't pass? Oh, that's so sad. So these I have seen a lot of people like that. So ignore, okay, because they are not the part of your goal. Okay, they cannot never be. So you have to ignore some things. Chalk out those people, keep the people who are close to you, who can help you, who you think you are your friends and well wishers. Okay,
Ma'am,
list.
your voice is so low.
My voice is low.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now is it fine?
No, ma'am.
No.
Still the same.
What happened? Oh, it was okay only. Now.
No, ma'am. Still the same. So low.
Help it then. Some network problem or what? Wait, let me see. Check. Minutes. Nishita,
Yes, ma'am.
is it okay now?
Yeah, bit okay.
Bit
But
okay.
still low.
Okay, I was telling. Okay. But I am getting your voice very clear.
Yeah, ma'am, now it's okay.
Okay. So I was talking about the people that you have to avoid and the people that you have to keep in this journey. Okay. So you don't have to think about those people who criticize you all the time. They do not want your good, obviously. So please ignore them and list out the people who are, identify the people who are helpful. Okay. Then list skills. Okay, the skills means now you know yourself better. Okay, that where you are good at, where you are good at, and you have to list out those skills. Like I am good in writing, I am good in technical skills, I am good in this particular subject. Okay, you have to list out those skills, and on that, based on that, you have to identify the goal. Okay, you have to set your goal, then develop a plan. Planning is very important. Okay, that how will you reach there? By taking tuitions, by taking some other courses, online, offline, taking help from your people, from your faculties. You have to decide that, okay? You have to develop that plan, okay? And then last point is list benefits. Now, as I gave the example of, yes, Nishita, is it fine? My voice now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The benefits are, now I gave the example of Three Idiots because that guy who wants to be a wildlife photographer, he didn't see any benefit coming out of an engineering course for him. So now if you feel that engineering is not going to give you any benefits, then you need not set any goal in that department, okay, or in that branch. Or if you see that yes, these are the things that I will achieve after my course or after my goal, then you can set your goal. Understood, students? I think this is the all I had to say about goal setting today. And I hope if you follow these steps, you will actually be very, very, successful in life. And you have to follow in a very minute way, okay? So you have to follow in a very minute way, and you have to go in every detail of your goal. Okay, so that's all about goal setting. That is a target setting in your life for motivation. Clear, everyone? Any questions you have?
Clear, ma'am. For me.
Okay, for you. Theme is always clear. Okay, so I think I will stop here for today. I'll share it. And Nishita, please give me the attendance for today's class. Okay, I have already taken a screenshot, but I want the roll numbers. Nishita, you
Okay, ma'am.
recollect and give me in my WhatsApp
Okay, ma'am.
or in the group
Okay,
also
ma'am.
you can give. And yeah, I think I will close the class today because I have some other work also. And yes, I hope to meet you all next in offline. We didn't see each other properly, right? So we'll have to, I hope the COVID-19 gives us some chance to meet each other and do the classes offline, okay? Thank you, everyone.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
thank you.
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am.
See you next week.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next month.
Next month, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, okay, bye-bye. Yeah, bye.